Hey everyone, welcome to Undoubtme. We are back with one more question on Circle Theorem. This is considered as one of the hardest question, though it is not. Okay, once you will watch this video, you will realize what I am saying. So let us see the question, how to do it. In this question, they have given us that A, B, R, P are 4 points on circle with center O. Okay, so we are talking about the right hand side circle, this one. Okay, based on the cursor, you can see A, O, R, C are 4 points on the different circle, as you can see in the diagram. Two circles intersect at point A and R. CPA, AOB, BRC are straight lines. They are all visible. Prove that angles CAB, CAB and angle ABC, they are equal. Now, by looking at them at this stage, it seems difficult that how we are going to do it. But there's just one thing what you have to take care of. Just draw a line OR. If you draw this line, then this question is solved. Okay, what I'm saying, just see here now. So since we have joined OR, so I can say that ORCA is a cyclic quadrilateral. Because of that, if this angle, okay, angle CAB is X, we can assume it to be X. So angle ORC, look at the figure carefully, it will be 180 minus X. The reason is opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So 180 minus X. Now because of this, angle ORB will be 180 minus 180 minus X. Why? Because CRB is a straight line. It's given. So this angle is what I'm talking about. If you do 180 minus X, look at the bracket carefully. On solving, this comes out to be just X. Interestingly, I got this angle as X. Okay, we are almost 80-90% done. Now the next thing what you need to notice is O is the center. So OR is equal to OB. They both are radius of that right hand side circle. Okay, because of that, OR and OB will make that triangle an isosceles triangle. I'm talking about this triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. And because of that, finally, this angle will also be X, because in an isosceles triangle, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. And I got OBR as X. What is OBR? OBR is same as angle CBA or ABC. And that is also X. So just remember, initially, just try to recall that initially we assumed that angle CAB is X. CBA is also X, whatever may be the value of X, but we have proved that they are equal. That's it. So I hope that you understood this question well. If you want to see more of these type of questions, we would like to know more about it in comments. You can comment about it and we'll try to make more videos on the same topic. Difficult questions. So see you in the next video. I hope that this question is not difficult, but yeah, it is difficult for many who have not seen this video. See you. Bye-bye.